Hey guys, myself here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to make your headphones sound extremely loud, even louder than the maximum volume on your iPhone when you set it all the way to maximum. Now, this is going to be by showing you how to create a custom level or sound level hearing experience on your iPhone. And this is a feature actually built into your iPhone that you probably didn't even know exists. And this allows you to exceed that volume limit. Now, there's a few things that I'll link in the description, of course, some information on hearing health, because of course, if you listen to audio or anything for too long, too loud, you can cause damage to your hearing. So I'll link that in the description down below, as well as the custom hearing audio level experience for iPhone and iPad, which talks about how this works, as well as supported headphones. Now, you do have to be wearing your headphones to get this experience to work on your iPhone. So I have the Deadpool head here with the AirPods Max. So AirPods Max are definitely supported. We also have the old school cable Apple AirPods for headphone jack and lightning are supported as well. The AirPods second generation, the AirPods Pro, the Power Beats, the Beats Pro as well, the Power Beats Pro and the Beats Solo Pro are supported as well. So let's head on over to settings here and let me show you how to access this and how to create it. It's under accessibilities. If we scroll down here and take a look at audio and visual, we have up top here the headphones accommodations. Now this gives you the custom audio setup, and this is what I'm talking about here. This allows you to create a custom setup, and there's a few things you can do in order to trick the system to believe that you can't hear the audio, so it actually puts the volume all the way up, exceeding the maximum limit. Okay, so let's begin. Now, before you continue, make sure that you find a quiet environment. That's number one. And number two, this will take up to 5 minutes. And the third thing here says, in the first task, you'll listen to audio of someone speaking. And that's key there. So let's click continue here. And on the first task here, can you hear someone speaking? Of course, if you have your headphones on. If you click no, it's going to put the volume up. And that's what you want to do in order to exceed that maximum volume even higher, to exceed that. Now it's going to ask you again, if you say no one more time, it's going to bypass that limit one more time and your audio experience is going to be very, very high. So here's the next step. So let's go ahead and through the next step here. So you've indicated that quiet is difficult to hear. So a quiet speech is difficult to hear. So it's going to click next here. Now the volume has been put up quite a bit at this point. Let's go ahead and select which one sounds better. Which one sounds better to you, of course. I'm going to select number one if both sounds the same. I can almost hear it from here. Number one, once again. And let's go ahead and use the custom sound. At this point, the audio level is crazy high. So if I play some music or any audio, it's going to be very, very high. And that is how you create a custom listening experience, and you can make your headphones extremely loud. Again, this is going to work on AirPods, the old school 3.5mm headphone jack and lightning, AirPods Pro, AirPods 2. We also have the Power Beats Pro, and Beats Solo Pro as well. Let me know if this works for you. How much higher did the volume get for you? If it did work, let me know in those comments down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.